Everyone, I'm going to show you guys this reset ref button. So this button is basically just a tool that kind of goes along with this place ref tools. And it does is it resets this any of these placeholder bubbles that are red to white. It's pretty simple. But what I mean by that is just reviewing the tool. Like, you have the option to place, like, instead of say like if this detail, if there wasn't the detail you want, you could place a placeholder instead of putting the detail. So if you hit add placeholder, it puts a bubble there. And say like you figure out what this detail is, then you could go here and change it to the detail it's supposed to be. And then you can hit this reset ref button. There's a lot of views in the stuff in the view. Took a couple seconds, and then it just resets the color. And that's it.